Vinegar is one of the things that is so easy to make at home using the ingredients that you're likely to be having already in your kitchen. For this vinegar, we only need 3 basic ingredients. We need the rosemary itself, we need water, and then we need sugar. So to make rosemary vinegar, we are going to take our branches of rosemary and remove the leaves, and then pack those leaves into a jar, depending on the size you have. My jar here is around 700 ml. So I'm going to pack in rosemary, after which I'm going to add water until it covers the rosemary. After adding water, I'm going to add in 5 tablespoons of sugar. Since rosemary is not a sweet herb, I put in 5 tablespoons of sugar. If the herb was sweet, I would have reduced on the sugar. Like when I was making the banana one, the sugar is less because the bananas are already sweet. So just go ahead and stir properly, just to dissolve the sugar into the water. And then if your water is not enough, you can top it up, but don't overfill the jar. You have to leave space for expansion in case of fermentation. And then we are going to take a piece of cloth, you can also use a coffee filter, and fasten it on with a rubber band. This will ensure that our vinegar gets the oxygen it needs without allowing the pesky insects to enter to contaminate the vinegar. And so after doing that, we are just going to set it aside on the shelf, and we shall come and stir it daily to make sure that the leaves stay under the water. This process will take at least 3 weeks, after which the vinegar will be strained out. This is how the vinegar looks like after 2 days. So we are going to get a wooden spoon or a stick, and we stir in the vinegar. Please do not use a steel or metallic thing to stir in the vinegar. Vinegar corrodes the steel. And after stirring in, we are going to put on our cloth again, and we shall keep doing that every now and then. So this is our rosemary after 24 days. You see the leaves have lost all color, and on top of it there is a layer that has formed. I'm going to be sieving it out, and then I'll put in another bottle for storage. So this is our vinegar. I like storing the vinegar in a bottle which has a narrow top, because in that way the vinegar is exposed to as little air as possible. For now, I'm not going to be closing the bottle tightly, just in case there is some fermentation that is still taking place. But later I'll come back and seal the bottle. If you would want to know how to make the banana vinegar, go ahead and watch that video over here. Keep enjoying the vinegar making process, and God bless you.